Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GitLab Runner from VPS securely, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal to access your server's command line. First, stop the GitLab Runner service to ensure there are no active processes. Execute the command sudo GitLab Runner stop. Next, disable the GitLab Runner service to prevent it from starting automatically. Run the command sudo systemctl disable GitLab Runner. Now, remove GitLab Runner packages from your system. If you installed it using apt, execute sudo apt-get remove GitLab Runner. For RPM-based systems, use sudo yum remove GitLab Runner. Check if any runner configurations are still present. Look in the /etc/GitLab Runner directory by executing ls/etc/GitLab Runner. If the directory exists and contains files, remove it to eliminate any leftover configurations. Run sudo rmrf/etc/GitLab Runner. Next, ensure that all GitLab Runner binaries are deleted. Check the /usr/local/bin directory using ls/usr/local/bin. If you see the GitLab Runner executable, remove it with sudo rm/usr/local/bin/GitLab Runner. Finally, clean up any remaining dependencies that were installed with GitLab Runner. Run the command sudo apt-get auto-remove for apt systems. For RPM systems, execute sudo yum auto-remove. After all commands are executed, verify that GitLab Runner has been completely uninstalled. You can run GitLab Runner version to confirm it is no longer installed. If you see a message indicating that the command is not found, the uninstallation was successful. Your VPS is now free of GitLab Runner, ensuring a clean and secure environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.